Hey there! Welcome to our AI product photoshoot style transfer tutorial. Perfect makeover for your product. Okay, so let's start by selecting a mock-up product. I'll just go ahead and choose this item here, and now enter a basic prompt to generate a background for it. Look at that! The results are already impressive, right? But it's not quite perfect. It's missing some of those fine details that we need. Now, let's upload a style image to replicate the exact background we've been looking for. Alright, let's experiment with different products and styles by adjusting the style strength. Okay, let's begin with a perfume bottle. Enter the prompt and choose a style image for the background I want. And there you have it. See how beautifully and realistically the perfume bottle is placed in the background. Now, switch things up with some rough and tough sneakers. I'll go ahead and enter the prompt, and then select a style image that matches that rough and tough vibe. Doesn't this result just perfectly capture the essence of a rugged, durable shoe? I love them. For our last example, let's try placing our bottle in a snowy background. So, I'll select the image, enter the prompt, and then choose a style image that gives us that chilly, snowy atmosphere. Isn't it amazing how beautifully the product is integrated into the snowy background? It feels so real. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can transform any product background into professional photo shoot. So go ahead, experiment with different styles and, well, bring your creative vision to life. Thanks for watching.